morning and welcome to today's class. We have already discussed in our lecture 5 the details about Bernoulli's principle. Okay, what is Bernoulli's principle? That is when ideal liquid or the non-viscous uh, or non incompressible liquid is allowed to pass through a transparent pipe or a pipe of on a non-uniform cross-section area, then at each point the sum of pressure energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy per unit volume must always be constant. That we have already seen. One thing we have also during derivation, you may have some confusion that in some books the work done, net work done is written as P1 minus P2 into AB, and in some book it may be P2 minus P1 AB. I must tell you one thing. In case your this type of situation is there, when this area is less and this area is more, the entry area is less and exit area is more. In that case, your velocity is reduced due to continuity theorem. That means kinetic energy is reduced and potential energy is increased because H1 is greater, H2 is greater than H1. ठीक है? जब ऐसा होता है कि एक एनर्जी बढ़ता है, दूसरी एनर्जी घटता है, तो हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि you always have one thing that is very important, that नेट मैकेनिकल एनर्जी चेंज जो होता है, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी नेट चेंज इन मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इज ऑलवेज चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी माइनस चेंज इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, ये होता है. और अगर ऐसा ना हो, हमने कुछ ऐसा सिस्टम कर दिया, नीचे वाला बड़ा कर दिया और ऊपर वाला छोटा कर दिया, अगर ऐसे केस में एंट्री करना हो तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी बढ़ रहा है और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी भी बढ़ रहा है. ओके, दिस इज द डिफरेंट सिचुएशन व्हेन वी हैव this type of case where this lower end has larger area and it may have smaller height. That means velocity and as well as kinetic energy as well as potential energy both are less. In comparison, this both are increased. तो इस केस में जो हो जाएगा, आपका नेट चेंजिंग काइनेटिक एनर्जी माइनस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी नहीं होगा, बल्कि यहाँ पर होगा टोटल चेंज in मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. यहाँ पर काइनेटिक एनर्जी में जो चेंजेस होगा प्लस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी में जो चेंजेस होगा, दोनों का ऐड कर देंगे, वो हो जाएगा वर्क डन के. यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा आपके वर्क डन के. अच्छा हाँ, एक चीज और, यहाँ से प्रेशर डालने के लिए आप देखिएगा कि वेन एवर दिस टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन इज देयर, देन पी इज ऑलवेज वेरी लार्ज. इतना लार्ज ना होकर अगर कम प्रेशर देगा तो पानी यहाँ से जाकर के नीचे आ जाएगा क्योंकि इसका एरिया ज़्यादा है. इट कैन कम बैक and therefore in order to flow them out from the smaller area, we need to have better pressure to this point P1. तो P1 minus P2 into AB हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर इस वाले केस में जैसे दिया है, जैसे नीचे वाला बहुत छोटा ऊपर वाला बहुत बड़ा दे दिया, in such case we need to have P2 must be greater than this one, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो प्रेशर से अंदर एंटर करा रहे हैं and that will not get back because it is already outward from where it is already larger area from where the liquid will come out. That is why in that case we take P2 minus P1 and so on, and that was done in my previous lecture, so that you may face some problem, that some confusion, that why this type of thing is there, why addition of kinetic and potential energy were not there, why we have taken difference. That this is the reason, because earlier we never had area water or liquid is allowed to flow and this small area from there is come out. आपने पानी में भी देखा होगा, नोजल क्या होता है जो नल में लगाते हैं, it is always larger and from where water comes out that is always smaller. तो ये हमेशा होता है, जहाँ से इनलेट होता है उसको थोड़ा लार्ज कर देते हैं, तो हम मोस्टली ऐसे करते हैं. But it is Bernoulli's principle everywhere it has to follow. Therefore, it can also be done by this. It can also be. What is the main application? Main application is venturimeter. Venturimeter. Venturimeter it is a device by which we can find out the rate of flow of water or any liquid. This is the design of the venturimeter. You can see it is just an ordinary horizontal pipe type something where some outlet or some side pipes are given at different cross section. यहाँ पर क्रॉस सेक्शन छोटा है तो यहाँ पतला साइड पाइप है यहाँ क्रॉस सेक्शन बड़ा तो यहाँ थोड़ा चौड़ा क्रॉस सेक्शन यहाँ चौड़ा वाला पाइप okay this is the general idea what is venturimeter it is a device by which the rate of flow of a fluid, mostly liquid, can be determined. Now I am again repeating what is venturimeter. It is a device or an arrangement by which we can find out the rate of flow of a liquid or a fluid. Okay, rate of flow means the total amount, total volume per unit time. Total volume passing in unit time is the rate of flow of water or liquid. We write them by Q. It's V by T. That we have to find by this arrangement. This is a very simple horizontal pipe. You can very easily see. And at different area, the cross-sectional area is different. Both the ends of the pipe are open, and there are some side tubes from where water enters also. Sorry, from where we can measure the pressure difference at 2 points. जैसे यहाँ पर मैंने ये इस पॉइंट को x कह दिया, इस पॉइंट को y कह दिया, तो x माइनस y, x और y पोजीशन के बीच what is the pressure difference? The h dg ऐसे आएगा क्योंकि इनके लिक्विड कॉलम के बीच का हाइट है. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर लिक्विड कॉलम यहाँ पर और इस वाले में लिक्विड कॉलम इस पॉइंट पे है. दैट इज बाय द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हाइट is your small h. Okay, this is the general idea. Okay, but basic thing is that if we take the center part of this portion, this is at the same height as the center part of this portion. Therefore, when we have this Bernoulli's principle to be applied at x and y, we always have they are to be at the same level. Let us see. Let us apply Bernoulli's principle at x and y. We have v1 plus half rho v1 square equal to p2 plus half rho v2 square. Remember, here there is no case of rho hg part. रो एच जी पार्ट वाले नहीं है क्योंकि प्रेशर यहाँ पर भी जितने पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है उतने पोटेंशियल एनर्जी यहाँ पर भी. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों का वर्टिकल हाइट इक्वल है. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का हाइट मान लो एच है तो दैट इज कांस्टेंट. दैट इज कांस्टेंट. therefore h rho g वाला पार्ट नहीं रहेगा. there will not be any h rho g part. we have only this portion and therefore naturally we take this p1 minus p2 on one side and on other side we take half rho v2 square minus v1 square. As the diagram suggests, here the velocity is v1. Here the velocity is v1, and here the velocity is v2. V2 has less cross section from continuity theorem. V2 must be larger than V1. इतना तो clear हो गया. So you have this much of thing, and after that rho T1 minus T2 is the pressure difference at these 2 points, which will be equivalent to the H rho g. This H है यहाँ पे, ये एक अलग ही हो जाएगा. This is your H rho g, and this will be equal to half rho v2 square minus v1 square. The rho cancel out. We have uh, v2 square minus v1 square equal to 2hg. कितना आ जाएगा? Now we can take the v2 square common. We are left with v1 upon v2, v1 square upon v2 square, like this. And here we have how much? 2hg. 2hg. Is it clear now? Now from there, what we do, we can very easily take the under root of them. The under root will be v2 equal to 2hg upon 1 minus v1 square upon v2 square, all to the power half. This is how we have determined the velocity. Velocity at any point, say this point. This is equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. After getting this equation, you can very easily observe what is that equation is. After getting this equation, we can find out the v1 upon v2 ratio from continuity theorem. From continuity theorem, A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. We need to have V1 upon V2. V1 upon V2 comes out to be how much? A2 upon A1. A2 upon A1, this is your equation number 2. A2 upon A1. We have seen that V1 upon V2 could also be written as A2 upon A1. From equation 1 and 2, what we need, we can very easily determine from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, V2 comes out to be 2hg upon under root 1 minus A2 square upon A1 square. A2 square upon A1 square. Again, by simplification, we have A1 2hg whole upon A1 square minus A2 square. This is your V2. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 3, and you need to find the rate of flow of liquid, that is total volume flowing in unit time. That is Q will be volume. This is V small v, the small v, volume upon time. That is at any point, say y. It is volume, it is area, A2, N2, velocity, V2. Then A1, A2, 2hg whole upon under root A1 square minus A2 square. This is all about the rate of flow of liquid formula. You can very easily check, and I am just giving you the larger form in the zoom order. Q equal to A1 A2 2 Hg upon under root A1 square minus A2 square. And how you get? You have used these two equations. You can very easily see that A1 V1 equal to A2 V2 from continuity theorem, from where V1 upon V2 equal to A2 upon A1, that we put in equation number 1. Yes, in equation number 1, and then we get V2 equal to 2Hg upon under root 2Hg upon under root 1 minus A2 square upon A1 square, and from there this A1 takes out, and we have A1 2Hg upon under root A1 square minus A2 square. When we find out the rate of change in rate of flow of liquid at point y, then what we need Q equal to the net velocity, net volume passing in unit time at y. वो कितना आता है? That is simply, that comes out to be how much? That is equal to A2 V2, and we get that much of a result. Okay. After getting this much of result, then you can very easily say that how we exactly determine. This is one of the mathematical application of Bernoulli's principle. There are many non-mathematical also, many just like Magnus effect and wings of aeroplane designed in a particular way, a particular form. There are many other things also, and they are not mathematical. For example, this application two is shape of wings of aeroplane. If it is made like this, both the wings are like this, and what happened, since their height, vertical height is almost equal because their thickness is very less in comparison to vertical points, तो यहाँ पर velocity ज़्यादा हो जाएगा v1 इनके comparison में v2, clear, and therefore half rho v1 square plus p1 equal to half rho v2 square plus p2. Now you can see v1 is greater than v2, in that way p2 must be greater than p1. आप देख सकते हैं कि जब ये होता है कि v1 ऊपर वाले का वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा होता है, नीचे वाले का वेलोसिटी कम है, तो इस समय क्या होगा, जब हम प्रेशर की बात करेंगे तो प्रेशर में बिल्कुल सिंपल है कि नीचे वाले का प्रेशर हमेशा ज़्यादा होगा ऊपर की तुलना में, तो जिसके कारण क्या कि बैलेंस मेंटेन रहता है। जब विंग्स हवा में चलते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली balance is always maintained because lower end has always larger pressure. This is also based on Bernoulli's principle. तो Bernoulli principle का ये भी एक important application है जो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. Similarly, Magnus effect that is given. Those who play cricket, they can very easily know that how the ball swings and other things. Suppose a ball is thrown, then it will move in forward direction. It will move in forward direction. It is moving with velocity v1. Moving with velocity v1, and the wind will also apply a reaction so that the dust particle will also have a velocity in opposite direction. जितने हवा को छेड़ते हुए जाते हैं तो डस्ट पार्टिकल का भी जो वेलोसिटी आता है वो इससे एक अपोजिट फॉर्म में जाते हैं. तो विद द इफेक्ट ऑफ नॉट यहाँ पर वेलोसिटी जो हो जाएगा ऊपर V1 माइनस V2 और नीचे ये दोनों ऐड हो जाए क्योंकि बॉल तो घूमते हुए जाते हैं। तो हियर वी ऑलवेज हैव V1 प्लस V2। जब लोअर पोर्शन में आप देखिएगा कि वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा ऊपर की तुलना में, तो क्या हो जाएगा, जैसे जैसे बॉल आगे बढ़ता जाएगा द द प्रेशर इन द अपर पोर्शन विल बी इंक्रीज। प्रेशर अपर पोर्शन बढ़ता रहता है जिससे बॉल क्या हो जाएगा, दैट विल हैव सम कर्व फॉर्म लाइक दिस, वो टैग ऐसे बनता हो जाएगा। And there is also it can work on the principle of this one knowledge principle. It also work on one knowledge principle. तो ये बेसिक मैथमेटिकल चीज तो आपका बर्नौली प्रिंसिपल से वही था। अब पहले तो आपका वेलोसिटी ऑफ एफ्लेक्स भी था, अब वो वेलोसिटी ऑफ एफ्लेक्स हट गया, तो मतलब इस सिलेबस में इस साल में नहीं है, तो वी हैव नॉट टू डिस्कस। with that we have completed the one knowledge principle and flow of liquid quotient and all those things, that is what we call uh, in the case of hydrodynamics. Hydrodynamics part is almost finished. Now we have to take hydrostatics in the next part. That is, in next lecture we will discuss surface tension and its related questions. Okay. With that we have completed this. Hope you could enjoy the video and please pay attention in watching the video complete.